So you might be in a situation where you're wanting to go ahead and fix your iPhone if it's randomly continuing to just delete photos from your phone over and over and over again. Meaning you might be going through and just seeing these random photos deleted on your phone. Now, number one, the first thing I'd recommend doing is to literally just go through and just see if your particular phone, if the photos are in recently deleted. So go inside of your recently deleted portion of your particular photos album. You should be able to scroll to the bottom and see recently deleted right here, and go ahead and just view it. You might just want to make sure that this particular album doesn't have all the photos in it, because that way you'll be able to recover the photos from there. Now, sometimes if you're using a third-party application, things like Google Photos or any of those other photos applications, sometimes they might just delete the photos on your particular side. So if you go inside of Google Photos, that particular application, or any of the other apps, you might see that sometimes those particular applications are giving you some issues because they're deleting the photos of that album, and they might be getting into your recently deleted. So you might want to make sure your album isn't doing that, your photos aren't doing that automatically. So try doing that, and that can be another thing. Now, another thing that might be going on is maybe you just need to update your iPhone. So what you can do here is you can pretty much just go inside of your settings application right here. Try going inside of your general settings right here. Click on software update. And all you're going to want to do here is basically just software update your iPhone. And if you are able to update it, try updating it. And if there's no update available, you might just have to go through and basically just restart your phone. That's another thing I recommend doing there too. So in terms of that basically covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, Solon.